I'm always tired and I can't really fall asleep in general. Can't breathe out of this nostril, and then I'm just not used to breathing out of my nose in general.
How long has this been going on?
As long as I can remember.
As long as you can remember. And then your attention, you're saying keeping attention can be a little challenging too.
Very.
Very. Okay. All right. So no energy. How many energy drinks are you on a day?
3.
3 monsters.
Yeah.
Red Bull, the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see what we can do here. You getting a little dizziness there?
Yeah.
A little weird. Okay, bring your head back. The eyes are flickering a little bit. Okay, let's go here. How's that?
Yeah.
That one also?
Yeah.
I think your head is an extension like this. Chin down. It's not quite freed up yet, but it's getting there. Good. Open your mouth. You've got a vaulted palate. Your palate is just, you've been mouth breathing forever.
Oh, yeah, call the mouth breather as a joke.
So what's happened is your tongue's dropped down, and the tongue is a support system for the cranial bones, for your skull bones, and it hasn't been there. So what's happened is that your skull has come in like this. There's a little cracking. Take a big breath in. Just a little.
Oh!
Big breath in.
Definitely feel more opened up.
Push your head towards the back of the table. Sphenoid opening up on the frontal bone, on the zygomatic bone. Sphenoid, your brain sits on top of the sphenoid. So you're going to be detoxing a little bit. Your cerebrospinal fluid flow is going to be increased today. So take some walks, get out, get your body moving. Okay, stand up.
And my eyes feel way more open.
That's wonderful. Okay, turn this way and back. How's that? Fine now, no dizziness. Good. Okay, let's go here. How about there?
Fine.
Good. Okay, so we're gonna get you mouth taping at night and get that sleep better. We're gonna get off all of the energy drinks.
I slept better. I woke up with a lot of energy, and I was actually able to breathe through my nose.
There we go. Good. Loving it. Yes. Taking the frontal bone off the parietal bones right here. Little ozonated olive oil on there. Good. Doable? Good. Check out those tonsils. Open wide. Look at those tonsils, right? Oh, right there. Okay. Almost to the point of vomiting. Yeah, I want you to push them. I want you to massage them every day. How's the sleep?
A lot better.
A lot better. When's the last time it was this good?
A while. Like, I can't even really remember.
Can't even remember. Are you breathing through your nose now?
Mm-hmm.
This is, you can't even remember too.
Mm-hmm. No, it's just, everything's a lot easier.
Oh, that's wonderful.
No more monsters. I haven't had a monster in 2 weeks. I used to have to drink like 2 to 3 monsters or Red Bulls a day to be awake, and then since coming here, I haven't even drank one. And I have much more energy throughout the whole day.
That's amazing.
And